Good morning everybody, welcome to the Manet vlog. In this video we will see what Manet actually is from the inside. It's a non-working Saturday, great opportunity for me to record. Behind me is the anchor and just behind it we have the Manet Academic building. Without wasting any time, let's get inside. Manet was founded in 2001 in the MIT Kothurud campus. Later on in 2004, it shifted to this Loni campus, also known as Rajbagh campus. Initially, BTech was introduced and then BSc was introduced. Placement at that time was on top level. 100% cadets were used to get placed because various companies used to come and take cadets. Now also the placements are getting better because in COVID, everything went. This is the entrance to the Manet and this is the parade ground. Every Independence Day and Republic Day, it's a great honor to be present here to witness such a great event. And this is the flag post. As you can see, this is the Manet Academic building. As mentioned, that's the entrance to the Manet, and here on the right side, on the left side, and just ahead of me we have the staircase leading to the top floors, and this is the ship designed by some really talented group of people which is showcased here. This is the reception area. Now we'll go up. This is the library. It's a non-working Saturday, so it's closed, but you might have seen the clips here. This is the examination department of Manet. This is the notice board where all the notices are placed. This is the library, you can see. This is the information boards which I was talking in my video. Just inside it, in the first part we have the bridge simulator room, and just beside that we have the engine simulator room. Again, everywhere you will find the information boards. This is the account section of Manet. This is the central staircase. As you can see how it looks from the top. Nice. That's the dome. Here we have the student section which deals with all the queries related to the students. Just here we have the principal's office. And as we go inside, on the right side we have the placement cell which looks on the placements of each and every cadet. Here we have the Vice President's office, Dr. Mangesh Karat sirs. Here we have the BTech classrooms. This is the auditorium. This is the lift. As we go ahead, again the information boards about the MAN engine, safety first, do's and don'ts, preventing oil spills, bunkering, the classrooms, the MAN B&W 9S80 MEGI, information boards again, the list of all the faculties. Again, this is the notice board for publishing each and every notice important for each and every individual working, studying in the Manet. This is the cabin of HOD, BTech Marine Engineering, MAN B&W 12S90 MEC, prevent oil pollution, classrooms, flammability diagram about another engine. We have washrooms there, drinking water facility, one more lift here on the left side of the Manet building. This is the GA plan. Again, you can see drinking water facility, washrooms, faculty room, the classrooms. And let's go to the balcony, see how Manet workshops and hostel looks like. So you can see this workshop, that's the shipping campus, and that's the Manet hostel. Workshop number 1, 2, That's the back entrance. You can see a temple right there. And just behind the campus, we have the Loni railway station with the Vishwaraj Hospital, 24/7 for us, for everybody in need. This is the view we enjoy every day. That's the dome with the lift to go on top. Another building, entrance, anchor, and that's the statue of Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Gallery. Again a notice board, information board stating safety first, classrooms and course place entry, safety first again. This is the Beaufort scale, 0 to 12. Classification of clouds, very important when you give your mate examination. Classification of iceberg. Faculty room. This states about the OLQ points. We'll discuss later for sure in some another video. This is the image of SS Loyalty, India's first Swadeshi ship. We also have an extinguisher working. Vision and mission of Manet. Notice boards all around you will find. IMO fire control symbols. I'll make one video especially for this, short and crisp. And this is our classroom, 413, third year, division 2. This is the HOD BSc Nautical Science cabin. This is a wheelhouse poster. You know, like corridors are filled with informations. If you want to learn every step, you can learn anything. Gangways, don't throw garbage on board, overboard, sorry. Working aloft or outboard. Craneage safety. This is the drawing hall. Here we do mechanical sheets, engineering sheets. This is the another faculty room. First aid kit showing how Manet is achievements. That's the chart room. We work on the charts. Currently we were practicing English channel charts. That's the lift I showed. This MIT ADT University Human Resource Development Department. Water. And as we go on top, we will find the rooms or the offices of MIT ADT. As it says, coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, and working together is success. And working together is what we need on board. On board, we have to work in a team. We don't have to be mean. This is the seminar hall of MIT College of Management. This floor specifically, which is for MIT. In this corridor, you will find the walls with quotes. The first rule is not to lose. The second rule is not to forget the first rule. Keep in mind. That's the staircase leading to the top where we practice sextant on the terrace under the captain. This is the examination and evaluation department. Photo of a new building. So as this quote says, learn continually. There's always one more thing to learn. Very true. In the shipping industry, every day we have to learn something or the other new, because some amendment comes, some new rule comes, another notice. So we have to be up to date. We have to know everything. This is the engineering mechanical lab. There's the heat lab. This was the portion we didn't cover. This is the electrical lab. This board states electrical shock, action in an emergency, recognition, and the treatments and what we don't have to do. Electronics lab, alumni photos. Again, another first aid box on the ground floor, notice board, one suggestion box, Department of Academics, non-marine. So I think I covered each and everything. In the next video, we'll cover about the workshops and the shipping campus, which leads us to here. Also, I forgot, there's 2 rooms. This is the achievement sections of Manet. This is the manifest drawing. Nice. This is the board. This is the classroom, PSSR and EFA. This is also another room. So here we come to the end of the video. This is the back view of Manet. There's the parking area, workshops. You can see a nice garden, the back entrance. One. This is the second. Here we come to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe and comment. Share to your family member, friends, everybody. Okay, this video was recorded by me and the cameraman Prashant Bhargav. See you till the next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.